Are you struggling to log into your PC or laptop because you don't remember your password and you need to meet the deadline? In this video, I'll show you how to create a password reset disk so that anytime you forget the password, you can use the disk to reset it to a new one. I'm going to take you through a step-by-step approach to do that, and I'll demonstrate how the disks work. But before we dive in, if you are new to my channel, kindly support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell notification icon for videos like this. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you. So I'm going to use my virtual machine to show you how to create a password reset disk and demonstrate how to use it as well, okay? So I've already launched the virtual machine, so let me quickly launch it. Let me quickly open it. So this is the virtual machine. It has Windows 10 installed, okay? So let me insert the USB drive I want to use for the password reset disk. So I'll insert it in. So now it's asking if I want to connect to the host or connect to a virtual machine. So since we are using the virtual machine for this video, I'll click on the connect to a virtual machine. Then I'll select the Windows 10 64-bit. That is the operating system installed. Then I'll click on OK. So let's see if it will identify the pen drive. Okay, so it's labeled drive F. Okay, so to create a reset disk, you go to control panel. So I'll click on control panel and then I'll scroll down and click on user account. So this is the only account I have on my Windows 10 test account, okay, and it's password protected. So to create a reset disk, at the left side of the window, you see create a password reset disk. So I'll click on that. So it brings me to the wizards of creating the password reset disk, okay. So if you don't remember the password or your current password, you can use it to reset the password to a new one. So I'll click on next, and then it has identified the USB drive, okay, as drive F. That's the drive I just inserted. So I'll click on next, and then it's asking for the password I used for this user account, the current password. So let me quickly type it. Then I'll click on next. Okay, now it has finished creating the password reset disk. So I'll click on next again and then finish. So let me restart the VM and then we demonstrate how to use the password reset disk we just created. So let me close my virtual machine. Let me power it off. So I'm going to power it on again and then we demonstrate how to use it. Okay. So let me power it on. So supposing you have to work on a project or you're working on a project and you have to meet a deadline and don't remember the password you are using, you can use the reset disk you just created to set a new password. So no cause for alarm. Okay. And you don't have to panic because you have the password reset disk at hand. Okay. So supposing I entered the wrong password, say the password is incorrect, try again. Okay, let me try a different wrong password. Okay, incorrect, try again. So since I have the reset disk, let me quickly insert it. Okay, so I'll click on the reset password and then it brings me to the password reset wizard. Okay, so I'll click on next and then it has identified the USB drive I used for the reset disk. So I'll click on next again and then it's giving me the opportunity to type a new password. Okay, so let me type a new password. Okay, then I'll type a password hint. So now click on next and then finish. So now I'm going to type the new password I just created. Then let me log in and see. So it's voila. So now we've logged in to the Windows 10 with a new password we just created with a password reset disk. So you are covered. Anytime you have issues with your password, you can use the reset disk to change it to a new password. So this brings us to the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notification icon for videos like this. Thank you very much.